Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online class. Children, today we are going to study an interesting new lesson, Unit 20, Organ Systems in Animals. Living organisms are evolved from the simplest form to complex level of organization. That means, once simple life forms emerged, it gradually evolved into more complex forms, eventually giving to animals and plants. All living organisms are made up of cells. Cells are the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. If you take in our body, there are millions of cells in our body. Each cell has specific function. For example, muscle cell, bone cells, blood cells, nerve cells, like that, different types of cells are present in our body. The cells which are performing similar functions join together to form tissues, like muscle tissue, nervous tissue, blood tissue, etc. If you take the blood tissue, the blood is a fluid connective tissue. This tissue consists of three different types of cells. These red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, platelets. So, the cells which are performing similar functions join together to form tissues. Then, the different tissues organize to form organs like heart is an organ, brain, stomach, lungs, etc. Each organ has specific function. They perform particular function according to the organ system which they belongs. Two or more organs together form organ systems and perform common functions. For example, the stomach, intestine, esophagus, these are the different organs. They join together to form digestive system and performing digestive function. Like that, various systems are in our body: digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, etc. So, division of labor is found among the various organ systems of our body. The different organs and organ systems of an organism function by depending on one another. For example, when we ride a bicycle, our muscular system and skeletal system work together to move our arms for steering and legs for pedaling. Our nervous system directs our arms and legs to work. Simultaneously, the respiratory, digestive and circulatory systems work to provide energy to the muscles. So, all the systems work together in coordination to maintain the body in a homeostatic condition of an organism. Homeostatic condition means maintaining normal internal environment of an organism. Next important thing, the organ system. If you take amoeba, we know amoeba is an unicellular organism. Is there any organ systems in amoeba? No. It has single cell only. It performs all the vital functions like respiration, nutrition, excretion, reproduction by the single cell only. So, the organ and organ systems we can see in the lower forms like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are the lower level of organisms, unicellular organisms. They have only one cell. They are very primitive forms. So the organ and organ systems have appeared in the phylum Platyhelminthes and continues till mammals. In this chapter, we shall learn about the structure and functions of various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system and reproductive system of human beings. Human beings also animals. Yes, we are the higher animals, higher intellectual animals in the animal kingdom. First, let's see what are the different organ systems found in animals in general. Let us see one by one. First, integumentary system. The integumentary system is nothing but the structure protecting the entire body. The skin glands, nail, hair, these are the organs comes under the integumentary system. The main functions of the integumentary system is protection, excretion, etc. It protects the internal organs as well as certain extent it performs excretory function. The excess of water and mineral salts are released in the form of sweat by the sweat glands found in the skin. Then below the skin glands, that is the sweat glands, oil glands are there. These oil glands makes our skin moist and it protects our skin from the entry of harmful germs. The next system is skeletal system. We know our body is anchored in a proper way and we would maintaining proper stature. How is it possible? It is possible due to skeletal system. Our skeletal system gives proper shape to our body as well as protecting internal soft organs like heart, lungs, brain, etc. The main bones are skull. The skull is protecting the brain. Vertebral column is protecting spinal cord. The sternum, that is the thoracic cage, protecting heart, lungs. Then girdles, pectoral girdles and pelvic girdles. These are the different bones present in the skeletal system. The next system is muscular system. The muscles helps in movement. Along with the bones, muscles exhibit contraction and relaxation and facilitates movement. Different types of muscles present in our body. The muscles are made up of muscle fibers. Next is nervous system. The nervous system is involved in receiving information, that is sensation about the external environment. The sensation in the sense touch, pain, pressure, temperature, humidity. These are the stimulus we would respond with the help of our nervous system. So, when we touch a hot plate, immediately we will withdraw our hand. This is due to our nervous system, the brain, spinal cord, nerves are the organs are present in the nervous system. They helps to respond stimulus in the environment. Next is circulatory system. It is a transportation system. All the necessary materials such as the respiratory gases, nutritive substances, hormones, enzymes, waste products, everything are transported from one part of the body to another part of the body through the circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels are the important organs found in the circulatory system. The next is the respiratory system. We are respiring oxygen. The process of intake of oxygen and releasing of carbon dioxide is known as breathing. So, the respiratory system helps us to intake oxygen and release of carbon dioxide. The respiratory tract and lungs are the important organs found in respiratory system. Digestive system. We are taking food. The food contains nutrients. In order to getting nutrients from the food, our digestive system performing a marvelous function by secreting digestive enzymes and breaking the complex form of food into simpler substances. After digestion, the nutrients from the food is also absorbed by our digestive system and waste products are eliminated in the form of fecal matters by our digestive system. The digestive tract and digestive glands are found in the digestive system. The excretory system comprises of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The main function of excretory system is elimination of nitrogenous waste such as urea, uric acid, creatinine in the form of urine. These nitrogenous waste are formed as a result of metabolic activities. These waste are eliminated in the form of urine by our excretory system. Next is reproductive system. The male reproductive organ is testes, female reproductive organ ovaries. These organs involved in the formation of gametes. Gametes are nothing but reproductive cells. The male gametes are sperms and the female gametes are ova. So apart from the gamete formation, our reproductive system is involved in the development of secondary sexual characters. What is secondary sexual character? That is the characters which are differentiating a male from female are called secondary sexual characters. So, now reproductive system is involved in the development of secondary sexual characters. The male secondary sexual characters such as development of moustaches, beard, broadening of shoulder, harsh voice, etc. In the females, the secondary sexual characters are enlargement of breast, soft voice, widening of hip, etc. So, our reproductive system is involved in the formation of gametes as well as the development of secondary sexual characters. The male reproductive organ is testes and the female reproductive organ is ovaries. The testes are producing the male gamete sperms and the ovaries are producing the female gamete ova. Next, sensory system. All the 5 sense organs comes under the sensory system. The 5 sense organs are eyes. Eyes are for smelling, ears for hearing, eyes for seeing, ears for hearing, nose for smelling and tongue for tasting and skin for touching. At last, endocrine system. The endocrines, there are various endocrine glands are present in different parts of the body. These glands are secreting a chemical substance called as hormones. These hormones are coordinating the functions of all organ system. The various endocrine glands present in our body are the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, pineal body, thymus, and the reproductive glands. All these glands are locating different areas of our body and secreting different types of hormones and coordinates the functions of different organ systems. So children, so far we have learned about the different organ systems found in our body and the organs which are present in the particular system and the functions performed by that particular systems. Now let's study about human digestive system. Human digestive system. What is digestion? The digestion is nothing but the breakdown of large complex insoluble food molecules into small simpler soluble and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzymes. The complex form of food materials are broken down into simpler forms of food in order to release nutrients and give energy to our body. This is the function of our digestive system. We are taking different types of food. Some food materials are simple food, some are complex. The vitamins, minerals are simple form of food. The carbohydrates, proteins, fats are the complex form of food. We could receive vitamins, minerals when we consume vegetables, fruits, etc. The cereals are the rich source of carbohydrates. Pulses, egg, milk are the rich source of protein. The oily food, fried items, these are the rich source of, then meat, these are the rich source of fat. So, these carbohydrates, proteins, fats are the complex form of food. These complex form of food cannot be absorbed by our intestinal wall directly. They must be dissolved and broken down into smaller molecules. So, in our digestive system, these complex insoluble food particles are broken down into simpler soluble and diffusible particles. This process takes place by the action of certain digestive enzymes secreted by our digestive glands. That digestive glands in the sense salivary glands present in our mouth, gastric glands present in our stomach, and intestinal glands present in the intestine, small intestine, pancreas, liver. These are the digestive glands. They are secreting certain enzymes. These enzymes are help in the breaking down of complex food materials into simpler forms. So, the complex form of food materials are broken down into simpler diffusible form. Otherwise, the complex form of food cannot be absorbed by our intestinal wall. So, in the digestion, the nutrition process, 5 stages are there. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion is nothing but intake of food. Digestion means, as I told you, the process of converting larger complex insoluble food molecules into simple, smaller soluble and diffusible particles by the action of enzymes. Then absorption, after digestion process, the nutrients are released from the food particles. That nutrients are absorbed by our intestinal wall. That is called absorption. Assimilation means the incorporation of the absorbed food particles into tissue cells. So the incorporation of or intake of absorbed food materials into the tissue cells are called assimilation. Egestion means the elimination of undigested or unassimilated food particles from the body in the form of fecal matter. So these are the 5 stages are involved in the process of nutrition. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The digestive system consists of 2 sets of organs. They are alimentary canal or digestive tract. It is also called as gastrointestinal tract, then digestive glands. So, 2 sets of organs are involved in the process of digestion. They are alimentary canal and digestive glands. The alimentary canal is a passage starting from the mouth and ending with the anus. It consists of mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. We shall study the alimentary canal and the digestive glands elaborately in the next class. Like that, the digestive glands means the glands which are associated with the alimentary canal are called as digestive glands. They are the salivary glands which is present in the mouth secreting saliva, gastric glands present in the stomach, pancreas and the liver are present at the abdomen region in the loop of duodenum, and the intestinal glands are present in the intestine. These are the glands which are secreting digestive enzymes for the process of digestion. So children, in today's class we have learned about the different organ systems found in animals as well as the human digestive system. In the next class we shall study the structure of alimentary canal in a detailed manner. Thank you.